Taking a look at the Made in USA aLokSak. This one is the 16 by 24 size. Little hint, all the aLokSaks can be identified by the branding in the lower bottom right when you look at the bag. This 16 by 24 is perfect size if you're going to be using a map, or if you're going to even put a roadside book, the atlases in here. We also have used these large size inside of a pack if you want to keep some clothes separate. Sometimes keeping your used clothing inside of one of these keeps those odors and everything until you can get to a laundry. And these are very secure. They've got great strong seams on the sides. They've got the standard aLokSak double opening, and they're clear and see-through. If you do want to put something like a laptop inside of one this size, you still will be able to use the touch screen and of course the keyboard. Yep, the large 16 by 24, they come in a 2-pack, and they're very durable. We've had some that we've used for a long time, and we always like to keep a couple new ones available in case we're going to need one. Hope this helps.